Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Notion for journaling, your 2025 guide for a more organized life. First up, open your Notion app and create a new page. Name it My Journal. This step establishes your dedicated space for journaling. It's where you'll pen down all your thoughts, ideas, dreams, and more. Now that we've done that, let's customize our journal. Click on Add a New Template and choose Journal. The reason we do this is because Notion provides a great pre-made template for journaling, which has sections for date, mood, and daily entries. It's a great starting point, especially for novice journalers. Next up, let's personalize this template. Notion allows you to add or remove sections as per your needs. You can add sections for gratitude, goals, or tracking habits. This helps us create a journal that reflects our unique needs and preferences. Now, let's talk about the most important part, writing your first entry. Click on New Entry and start writing. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to journal. Just let your thoughts flow. You can also upload images or embed videos in your entries. This enhances the richness of your journal, making it more than just a written record. All right, we've now set up and customized our journal and written our first entry. Remember, the goal here is consistency. Keep coming back to your Notion journal every day or as often as you can. So there you have it. That's how you use Notion for journaling. Simple as that. Thanks for tuning in and happy journaling.